Welcome back to the Revit Mind. We're back with another video in the Parametric family series. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a simple trick that allows you to rotate a Revit family in multiple directions after loading it into your project, just like you see on the screen. The idea is simple, but it can save you a lot of time and help you avoid writing formulas just to make a family rotate the way you want. Without any further delay, let's get started. First, open the family that you want to make rotatable by clicking Edit Family. Next, create a new generic adaptive family. Once the family opens, go to the Plan view and place a point anywhere in the workspace. Then use Align to align that point with the project origin, making sure to lock the alignment. Now load your original family into this new adaptive family and place it anywhere in the file. The next step is important. Select the point you created and convert it into an adaptive point. Then align the loaded family to the adaptive point, and once again, make sure the alignment is locked. Now load this adaptive family into your Revit project. That's it. You can now select the family in the project and simply change its work plane. By changing the work plane in different views, you'll be able to rotate the family in multiple directions, just like you see in the video. I'll repeat the same workflow with a few different families so you can clearly see that the same trick works for many different types of Revit families. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.